Today we are going to learn about interval notation. This is usually how you write your answers at the end of a problem. So the examples that we're going to do today are already going to be graphed on a number line. There's another video over graphing inequalities. If you need to go find it, go watch that one first. There are three main things you need to know about interval notation. The first one is that we always read our graphs from left to right, the way we read sentences. The second thing is that if the graph continues on forever, you need to use an infinity. If it's on the left side that it's going forever, that's negative infinity. If it's on the right side that it's continuing on forever, that's positive infinity. And the third thing you need to know is you're either going to use parentheses or brackets around each number. Use parentheses if you have an open circle, and use brackets if you have a closed circle. The bracket means you can equal that number. That's what closed circles mean. So if it has a closed circle, you can equal that number, use a bracket. Infinity is not a number you can actually equal. It's more of an idea, not an exact number. So infinity will always get a parentheses. All right, let's try these four graphs down here at the bottom. The first one, if I'm looking at the left side, that's right here. It starts at -3. Then I'm looking at the right side and I see this arrow. That means it's actually going past 2 onto infinity. 2 is just how far this particular number line goes, but I could keep it going longer all the way out to infinity. I don't see any closed circles here, so they're both going to get a parentheses. Next one. The left side of my graph is right here. That's an arrow. So that's an infinity. On the left, that would be negative infinity, because those are going to be negative numbers in that direction. Comma, the right side of my graph ends right here at 1. That 1 is a closed circle, so it gets a bracket, but the infinity will always get a parentheses. The third graph. We're going to do two intervals, one for the part on the left and one for the part on the right. So the first area over here is going to start at negative infinity and end at 1. No closed circles on that part, so they're both parentheses. The other part picks up again at 4 and then goes to infinity. The 4 is a closed circle, so it gets a bracket, and then we put a parentheses with all infinities. If you're trying to combine two separate intervals that have a gap in between the two intervals, you need to write a little u. It stands for union, meaning we're combining those two intervals together even though they're not connected. Third graph. The left side is actually at 1, and the right side is at 4. There's no arrows on this one, so you don't need any infinities. The 1 will get a parentheses, the 4 will get a bracket because it's closed.